Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. So today the reading is about the person on your mind and their current feelings, their intentions, outcome and suggestion. So let's see messages for you. Pisces, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see. May or may not resonate because it is general. So let's see what are the messages for you. So this side your person current feelings and this side yours and mutual. So first we will see your person current feelings. Pisces. Let's see mutual. Wow. Under the deck, 10 of Cups and Queen of Swords. 10 of Pentacles. Think 10 of Cups, you both want this happiness with each other. 10 of Cups happiness, you both want each other. Yes. If you are in relationship, you both want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in separation, you both want reunion. So let's see your person current feelings. Pisces. Page of Wands, Page of Swords and Ace of Cups. For some, you both have age differences between both of you. Right now, they are spying on you a lot, Pisces, and they want to send some text or message. Maybe they are waiting for your communication. And Ace of Cups, yeah, they do love you, and their love towards you is overflowing. Definitely, they do love you. For some, you are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see. Let's clarify Page of Wands and Page of Swords and Ace of Cups. Let's clarify. Two cards. So under the deck, the Hermit with Three of Pentacles. So right now, maybe you're in separation. Your person is not talking with you. They're undergoing some transformation. And I think there is no partnership or collaboration between you and your person in past. So let's clarify. Page of Wands clarify. 10 of Cups. Yes, this person want 10 of Cups happiness with you and they want happy family with you. Page of Swords with 7 of Swords. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. Maybe one person is sneaky in this connection. Miscommunication, false communication, not taking responsibility, the type of energy. Maybe they're spying on you. And Ace of Cups with Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they want new beginnings with you if you are in separation. And your person thinking about long term with you, Pisces. So let's clarify your cards, the Magician, King of Cups and the Hangman. So yeah, you love this person a lot, Pisces, but you are feeling stuck. You are manifesting something big into your life. You are in the manifesting energy, Pisces, but you are feeling stuck, but you have strong emotions towards your person. So let's clarify your cards. Ten of Wands, Justice, Nine of Cups and King of Wands. So energy could be vice versa. So take what resonates. So 10 of Wands. Maybe your emotions are running high. Maybe you are busy with your work. You are feeling overburdened. And Justice, definitely you are seeing for second chances with your person because King of Cups with Justice. You want marriage. You want commitment. And Hangman with Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted, Pisces, in near future. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person intentions. Pisces, their intentions, then outcome, then suggestion. Their intentions. Wow. Yeah, right now they're missing you. Yeah, there are some differences between you and your person, but they want to fix the things between both of you. That's why they want to come back with an apology. Page of Cups. For some children's also involved in this connection, and Nine of Cups, they're wishing for this connection, and Ace of Swords. Some truth coming out. They want to give clarity. Communication is coming with clarity, Pisces. Yeah, they are suffering in silence and they are thinking about equal give and take. Maybe in past they treated you as an option. There is no equal give and take in this connection. But now your person is thinking about equal give and take. So let's see the outcome. Strength with 7. I think 7 of Swords came in this reading twice. Definitely there are some trust issues between you and your person. Maybe you are not trusting them. Maybe they are not trusting you. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection. Trust issues. Maybe they scared for rejection. Outcome Leo with 7 of Swords. Yeah. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you. One person is very, very sneaky in this connection. That's why they want to come back with an apology, Pisces. So again, I am saying this energy could be vice versa because this is general reading. So definitely someone is sneaky in this connection and this scared for rejection also. And under the deck, Knight of Swords with the Devil. See, obsession. They are obsessed with you or you are obsessed with them. And Knight of Swords, communication. They are in rushing to communicate with you. Communication will come for sure. But you are not trusting them. They break your trust, Pisces. So let's see the suggestion. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Leo. Hermit, Suggestion, Page of Pentacles. So transformation, maybe one person or you both are going some transformation right now. Then there is some communication, Page of Pentacles, text or communication between will happen between both of you. Maybe one person initiate contact. I think your person will initiate contact. And children's, definitely children's involved in this connection. So here communication is the key also. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Pisces. Player, yeah, because 7 of Swords came twice in this reading. I want you back. Don't leave me behind. I want to be honest with you. I'm not feel good enough for you. And healing. So the messages are player, I want you back. Don't leave me behind. I want to be honest with you. I am not feel good enough for you. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates. Here I am saying that definitely they want you back, but they scared for rejection. Yeah, in past maybe they are player, but now they want to be honest with you because I want to be honest with you here. So for some they are also feeling they are not feel good enough for you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. So you have to balance both spirituality and practicality. If you are not doing any meditation, so it's time to start meditation and a time to give rather than take. So the person who is taking always in this connection, this is the message for that particular person. It's time to give. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.